Today we're going to be replacing the light on my 2013 Nissan Altima, but the same goes for about any other car. As you can see, my passenger side light is out. First, you're just going to pull this carpet back here, or whatever's in the way, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off these two 8mm nuts with this here socket wrench, and then all you got to do is grab the light housing, pull it straight out. And then for my car, we got a 3157 LED bulbs that we're going to throw in there. Alright, I got the two nuts removed. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to pull this off. And then you just locate where the bulb is. We're going to follow it straight back. It's going to be that one right there. You're going to twist it counterclockwise. Pull it out. And then just pop your bulb out. Alright, so a little problem. This bulb was the wrong one. Apparently, I guess I needed to have like this little thicker piece here. If you look at this one, it's too thin. It looks like it would work, but if I get it focused, it looks like it might work, but it just don't stay in there. So we're gonna throw the old bulb back in there so I can get a replacement. Alright, and we're good to go.